mean up here? Whoa, what? Huh? What? Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean back here? What? Huh? What? Huh? Huh? Wait, what? Game. Huh? What? 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 Oh shit! Let's go! Hey yo! Hey! Hey! Oh, that's hilarious. Hey yo, let me get in there, baby. Oh, that's so good. Messages. Niels Andre. To my future, your present. Niels Andre, to my future, your present. Fantastic. If you're reading this, everything went well as planned. The next step is for you to come back in time and help me. Unfortunately, I need to demolish a building to keep the timeline stable and can't do it myself. I've set up everything for a return trip to the exact time and location of your arrival. Just get in the car and hit the button on the laptop. I will send you more instructions by the time you arrive in the past. P.S. Time travel can be tricky and mishaps may happen on your way to the past, so buckle up. Niels Andre, camping enthusiast, anytime, anywhere. Oh, that's so cool. Hey, look at this shit, babe. Hey, that looks good. Damn. Oh wow, that's so cool. Wow. Damn. Nice. Nice. Damn, it crashed. No. I'm already looking for secrets. Oh, hello. Damn. Oh yeah. Huh. What's this? This power generator will provide me with all the electricity I need. Canned vegetables, 3 types. Fuel for portable generators. Sorry, Doc. Okay. That was on today. Instructions are in order. Welcome to before. You made it, and mostly in one piece. If I've read the time camper feedback data correctly, my time engine didn't find any other matching time curves to reach this exact time and place, but I guess building your own time engine has its pros and cons. The reason you are here is due to a small problem on this time curve. Honestly, I don't think it was anyone's fault, really. Just some unfortunate circumstances. At least I set up a solid plan to restore this space-time mess, and for that I'll need your help. First off, we need some basic supplies for your camp. The trailer may have some food, water, and a spare generator, but they won't last forever, and it's best to be safe than sorry. I left you a small stash of tools in the abandoned mines nearby, so go and get them. Ah, okay, I already did that. Instructions are in order. Pardon me, I totally forgot in all this space-time curvature shenanigans that you've entered this story before even meeting me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Niels Andre, and I'm a camping enthusiast who has been to every place but not every time. So I've embarked on a journey to find the ultimate time and place to set up camp. Now that's out of the way, you still need more supplies, so go to Combus Town and stock up. What? Wait, where am I? There must be secrets. Must be. There is no gold. Locals renamed this new mine to Broken Hopes. A cowboy hat. What? Can I open it? Aww. It's just a lobby. Nothing special. If we're looking for anything. What the? No way! A very cozy floor mat I traded for with locals. What's this? Oh shit. Oh, valuable. Oh. Handcrafted drum, what am I gonna do with that? Alright! First mission, there we go. Come on. Let's see. Mission stocking up. Combustown. Right. A mining settlement built around the famous Combustown gunpowder factory. It's a well-developed town that's considered to be one of the wealthiest in the area. Huh. Store supplies for your camp, then go to escape your vehicle. Wow. Huh. Okay. Damn. Hey, shit. Nice. Ha! Soaring Eagle, a monthly hunting magazine. Damn. Burn it. Oh my god, it actually worked. No way. That's hilarious. I wonder if there's gonna be a reference to Blue Tide. That'd be so funny. Also really cool. Alright. There's a lot to explore. I don't know if I'm going to explore it, but maybe I should just get to the mission, but I should probably start doing the mission. Because it's already taken me probably like 5 minutes to search one house. I gotta get to the mission. It's just so interesting. Okay, off I go to the mission. Where is it? What's going on? I've literally got no idea what's going on. I need to know. Okay, primary targets. Mine office, cash cow. What? Cash cow bank, between houses and factory roof. Okay. Oh, so, okay. It's not timed. Okay. The mines? There's a, I don't know what to call that. Hey. There we go. Land acquired. To light it, press F. Huh? Alright. Can I ride it? Hey! Let's go! Gonna take my horse to the... Oh, that's better. Let's go. Where are we going now? Huh. Oh, you can even go backwards. Where are we going now, huh? And to the bank, alright. Let's see. What? It's locked. Never mind. What? How are we gonna get in? Oh. Oh, no. Nope, did not help. Need to get in, bro. Wait. Ha 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 ha. Gonna smart me. Ha 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 ha. There we go. Where we going now, huh? Huh? Fuck's sake. Okay. Do you want me to open this? Alright. Alright, on next. Alright, over there. Where's my horse? Hello. This is actually a really cool campaign. I'm not even joking. It's actually pretty cool. I'm a big fan of the Wild West. Wait, oh, I have to grab that. Nice. Let me get him a horse. What the hell? There we go. Nice. Huh. What's behind here? Oh. Hey, this place. Nice. Gun factory. Gunpowder factory. Nice. Good. Alright, where next? Oh, in there. Alright. Nice. 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 Where we going now, huh? In here? It's slant, no? What's going on? What? What? Up there? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. This is so amazing. I need to get up there. How the hell do you expect me to get up there? Hold on, this is pretty cool. Warning. Ah! There we go. There we go. No. Up here. Oh, there we go. Oh, ladder. Where are we going now, huh? Up here? Nice. Okay, that worked. How do you even get up here naturally? What the hell? Far out, Cam. Alright, what's next? Where's the walls? Wall seat. Alright, last one. Come on. Open the gate for me, mate. There we go. Good girl. Boy, I don't know. Dental room. How the hell would they know about dental? Wait. Where's the hammer? Where's the pliers? Whoa, how the hell did they have such good dental practice back then, huh? There we go. Thank you. Now we're off. Back to the DeLorean, or I don't know. There we go. See ya. I love it. What? Oh. Alright, it's night time. Alright. Oh shit, the stars. Right. Rope. Huh. Just a spin-off of cables. What? Okay. Yep, it's just a cable. Just a brown cable. What? Alright. I'm gonna leave that for another day. Well, not another day. Leave it for another upload. It's been good. First mission was literally just the first mission from the first campaign mission in TearDown. Well, no, second campaign mission in TearDown. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you, I don't know, next upload. So yeah.